Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a niche that's taking over social media, viral cat videos. Whether you're scrolling through TikTok, YouTube, or Instagram, you must have seen these hilarious and adorable cat clips, right? Well, there's a reason for that. Cat videos are blowing up right now. Creators are raking in millions of views, building massive audiences, and making a lot of money with these cat videos. Cats' videos have this mysterious way of captivating us, whether they're being cute or just funny. That's why cat content is so addictive. Creators in the cat video space are pulling in huge numbers on platforms like YouTube and TikTok. Some of them are making thousands of dollars a month just by posting these bite-sized clips. And cats have this universal appeal, everyone loves them, and they easily go viral because they're so fun to watch. Today I'm going to show you how to create monetizable viral cat videos using AI. And the best part? It's completely free. With a few simple steps, you can generate your own hilarious or heart-melting cat shorts that'll have people glued to their screens just like the top creators in this niche. Alright, let's get into it. The first step in creating a viral cat video is to have a funny and engaging story. I know coming up with the perfect idea can feel overwhelming, but don't worry, you don't need to stress yourself. We're going to make things super easy by using ChatGPT to do all the creative work for us. Simply head over to ChatGPT and type in this prompt. Write me a 30-second funny story about a cat. It's that simple. No need to sit for hours trying to crack the code for the perfect script. In just a few seconds, ChatGPT has given us a funny and engaging story that'll get viewers hooked from the very start, and you can tweak it or ask for another until you find the perfect one for your video. So with our story ready, we can move on to the next step. Now that we've got our script, it's time to bring it to life with a voiceover. And for that, we're going to use one of the best tools out there for text-to-speech 11 Labs. This platform makes it super easy to transform your written script into a professional quality voiceover, and the best part is you can do it all in just a few minutes. Go over to your browser and search for 11labs.io. Once you're on the site, click on Get Started and create an account, and you are ready to go. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the script we generated. Then head back to 11 Labs and paste the script in the text box. Then click on the Voices section and select from the varieties of voices available till you find the perfect one for your video. After you've chosen the perfect voice, just hit Generate. And in a matter of moments, 11 Labs will work its magic and turn your text into a polished, natural-sounding voiceover. Once your voiceover is ready, you can instantly download it to your device. That's it! In just a few clicks, you've turned your script into a high-quality voiceover. Now that we've got our voiceover, we're one step closer to creating that viral cat video. Now that we've got our voiceover ready, it's time to move on to the next step, which is creating the visuals for our video. And we'll be using Ideogram, an amazing tool that makes it super easy to generate high-quality, eye-catching images. Open your browser and head to ideogram.ai. Once you're on the site, go ahead and create an account if you haven't already, then click on the plus icon to start generating images. Now go back to ChatGPT and ask it to provide you with prompts to generate images for our video. As you can see, ChatGPT has generated the prompts. Now copy the first prompt, then head back to Ideogram and paste the prompt into the text box. Change the aspect ratio if you want your images in a vertical aspect for TikTok or YouTube Short, then hit Generate. In just a few moments, Ideogram will create high-quality images based on your prompt. When the images pop up, you can select the one that works best for your video and download it to your device. Now repeat the same process to generate the rest of the images. In no time, you'll have a full set of visuals to match every scene in your story. If you've made it this far in the video, please like and subscribe to help the channel grow. Let's get back to it. Now that we've got our visuals and voiceover ready now, we need background music to keep viewers entertained. We're going to use Streambeats to get free, non-copyrighted music. Go over to your browser and search for streambeats.com. Once you're there, click on Download Track Files, and you'll be taken to a huge selection of albums filled with royalty-free music. The beauty of Streambeats is that all the music is non-copyrighted, so you can use it in your videos without worrying about any takedowns or copyright claims. Now take some time to browse through the different albums. Whether you're looking for something upbeat, chill, or playful to match your video, Streambeats has a track for every vibe. Once you find the perfect background music for your video, just hit download and save it to your device. The final step is to bring everything we've generated together with editing. For this, we'll be using CapCut, one of the best free video editors out there. Open up CapCut, then click on New Project and import all the images we generated using Ideogram. Be sure to set the aspect ratio to match your platform, whether it's for TikTok, YouTube, or Instagram. Next, click on Sounds and import the voiceover we generated using 11 Labs. Once that's in, start arranging the images to sync perfectly with the voiceover, making sure the timing feels just right. Click on Sounds again and import the track we downloaded from Stream Beats. Reduce the volume a little so that the background music complements the voiceover without overpowering it. Let's add some smooth transitions to give the video a nice flow. Click on Overlay. Choose the transitions that fit your style and apply them to all your clips by selecting Apply to All. Next, we're going to add some animations. Click on each clip. Choose an animation style that works for you and apply it to all the clips. This will give your video some extra flair. Now let's make the video stand out even more by adding zoom effects. Click on your first clip and add a keyframe at the beginning. Then go to the end of the clip, stretch it a bit to add another keyframe. And that's how to add zoom effects to clips. Repeat this process for all the clips. Feel free to add any sound effects you like. It's all about making the video as engaging as possible. Finally, let's add some captions to make sure your viewers can follow along with the story. Click on Text, select Auto Captions, choose the template you like, and let CapCut generate the captions for you. Once that's done, take a look at your captions and make sure everything looks right. With everything in place, click on Export. Increase the video resolution to 4K for the best quality and download the video to your device. And that's it, guys. Now let's take a look at the final result.
Once upon a time, in a small town, there lived a cat named Mr. Whiskers, who believed he was a secret agent. Every day he would sneak around the house, sliding across the floor in slow motion, hiding behind potted plants, and dramatically rolling under furniture. One day he spotted his ultimate nemesis, the evil laser pointer. Mr. Whiskers pounced, flipping and flailing, determined to capture the elusive red dot. Just as he was about to win, the dot vanished. Mr. Whiskers stood triumphantly until he realized his tail was stuck in the vacuum cleaner. The real enemy had struck.
Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below to let me know what you think about the video.